Hey everyone, welcome back. We love diving into these simple business ideas,
Yeah,
especially ones you can start online.
absolutely. Online businesses are where it's at, right?
And even if you don't have a ton of money to start with.
Yeah, that's the beauty of it.
We found some people who they've done it, right? Built these businesses from nothing.
Yeah, and they've been super generous sharing their insights, sharing what worked for them.
We're going to go through all that and hopefully give you guys some ideas.
Yeah. I think the key here is not just the ideas themselves, but like the WHY behind them. Like,
Yeah.
why do these models work? How can you adapt them? Because everyone's different, right?
Exactly. One of these entrepreneurs had this really cool story.
Oh, yeah.
He started with a bunch of offline businesses,
Mm.
junk removal, house cleaning,
Oh, interesting.
but then he transitioned them online. He was managing everything remotely.
I see. So he wasn't actually doing the work himself.
No, he had subcontractors handling it all. And he was making serious money doing it.
Wow. What's the secret sauce there?
He built this system to connect local service providers with customers who needed those services.
So like an Uber, but for everyday tasks.
Exactly.
That's brilliant. And think about the potential here, especially with the holidays coming up.
Oh, yeah.
People need help with all sorts of stuff, decorating, gift wrapping.
Pet sitting.
Yeah.
So many things.
Yeah, it's a gold mine.
So think about it, right? What service could you offer in your local area, especially during those busy holiday seasons?
You could be making money right away. It's that get paid on day one mentality.
Yeah.
Which is super empowering, especially when you're first starting out.
Oh, absolutely. And even if you eventually move your business completely online,
Mm-hmm.
that experience with customers,
Oh, absolutely. Understanding what they need, delivering great service.
that's so valuable no matter what business you're in.
Yeah, it's the foundation, really.
So if you guys are digging this deep dive so far,
Yeah.
hit that like button, share it around.
Help us spread the knowledge.
Okay, another entrepreneur we talked about had this really cool framework.
Oh, yeah. Tell me more.
He called it the business model matrix.
Interesting. What's that all about?
So it helps you figure out if a business idea is worth pursuing, right?
Yeah, makes sense.
Based on things like startup costs, profit potential, and how hard it is to actually do.
So basically, is it a good fit for you, right?
Yeah. So you said some models are like minefield businesses.
Minefield. What does that mean?
For beginners especially, like drop shipping, Amazon FBA, things like that.
Ah, I see. They can be tricky, right? Lots of competition.
Yeah. And the profit margins can be really thin.
You could end up spending more than you make.
Exactly. And then he talked about bolder businesses.
What are those?
Things that are like super hard to start, need a ton of money up front.
Like developing software or something.
Yeah, exactly. So the key takeaway is you got to find a model that matches what you have now.
Your resources, your skills.
And your goals, right? What do you actually want to achieve?
So it's not just about finding a cool idea. It's about finding the right idea for you.
Exactly. And that's where digital products really come in.
Oh, tell me about that.
This guy was so excited about digital products, and it makes sense.
Why is that?
They're usually pretty cheap to create.
Okay, low startup costs. That's good.
You have the potential for passive income,
Ooh, passive income. Everyone loves that.
and the profit margins can be amazing.
Yeah, because you create it once and then sell it over and over again.
Yeah. He even mentioned this tool called Listing View.
Listing view. What's that?
It lets you see what's selling well on Etsy.
Whoa, that's awesome. So you can
Yeah.
see what customers are actually buying.
Yeah. Like having a crystal ball.
I love it. So you can find a proven product and create your own version of it.
Exactly. He gave this example of an Etsy shop selling AI-generated art prints.
AI-generated art. That's trending right now.
Big time. They're not making millions or anything,
Okay,
but it's enough for a comfortable living.
that's pretty impressive.
It shows you that the model works.
Yeah. It all comes back to finding the right niche, creating something unique.
And using these online marketplaces to reach customers.
And this all ties back to that business model matrix, right?
Yeah.
Digital products usually don't need a lot of money to start, and they can be super profitable.
Perfect for new entrepreneurs.
I'm starting to see the appeal. All right, welcome back to our deep dive.
We're ready for more. Last time we were talking about all sorts of stuff.
Yeah, we covered a lot of ground.
Service businesses.
Those get paid on day one kind of digs.
Yeah. Digital products.
The passive income dream.
Even personal branding, which can be a little scary, right?
Yeah, some people get intimidated by that.
But it doesn't have to be. We'll get into that a bit more today.
Looking forward to it.
So let's pick up where we left off.
Sounds good to me.
Remember that Etsy shop with the AI art?
Oh, yeah, that was a good one.
I think that's a great example of using what's hot right now.
Riding that trend wave.
Exactly. AI art is huge, and it's only going to get bigger.
Yeah, but you don't have to limit yourself to art, right?
No, totally.
Yeah.
Digital products can be anything.
Like what? Give me some examples. Okay, templates. I use those all the time.
Ebooks,
Mm.
online courses,
Those are popular.
stock photos, sound effects.
You name it.
Yeah, if you can think of it, you can probably sell it digitally.
It's pretty amazing.
And the best part is, it's all about what you already know.
Oh, I like that.
What are you good at? What could you teach someone else?
Got to think about that.
Yeah. Maybe you're a gardening guru,
I do have a green thumb.
so you could write an ebook like
Mhm.
Gardening Secrets for Beginners or something.
Catchy title.
Or maybe you're amazing at budgeting.
I actually am pretty good with money.
There you go. Create a financial planning template.
So people can get their finances in order.
Exactly. And you
Mhm.
can sell it on Etsy, your own website, wherever.
And that's just scratching the surface, right? Seriously. So many possibilities with digital products.
And we all have knowledge that's valuable to someone.
Even if it seems simple to us.
Yeah.
Sometimes we forget that.
And with digital products, it's like creating an asset that works for you 24/7.
That passive income thing again.
Yeah. While you're sleeping, on vacation, whatever.
That's the dream.
Let's talk about print on demand for a sec.
Okay, bring it on.
We talked about it a bit last time, but I want to emphasize something.
What's that?
No inventory,
Oh, yeah, that's a big one.
especially if you're just starting out.
And you don't want to risk a lot of money.
Exactly. With print on demand, you don't have to buy a bunch of stuff up front.
Just create the design and they handle the rest.
Yeah, the printing, the shipping, everything.
So you're not stuck with boxes of t-shirts in your garage.
Exactly. It's like having a virtual factory.
That's a good way to put it.
You can test out designs, see what people like.
Without spending a fortune.
Exactly. And if it works, you can scale up easily.
So it's good for testing the waters.
Yeah. Low risk, high reward potential.
Sounds like a pretty good deal to me.
If you guys are finding this helpful, by the way,
Yes. Let's spread the love.
hit that like button, share this deep dive with your friends.
Help us reach more entrepreneurs.
Now, let's talk about this whole personal branding thing.
All right, the big scary monster.
It doesn't have to be scary.
You're right, it's just about being yourself.
This guy we were talking about, he had a great way of putting it.
What did he say?
He said personal branding isn't about bragging or trying to be famous.
It's not about being an influencer
Exactly. It's about building trust with your audience.
and becoming a go-to expert in your niche.
Yeah, if someone needs advice on whatever you're good at.
They automatically think of you.
Exactly. And he started by just documenting his journey on Etsy.
Oh, so he wasn't trying to be a guru or anything.
No, he was just being real, sharing his ups and downs.
And people connected with that.
Yeah, because it was authentic.
Authenticity is so important these days.
People can smell a fake a mile away.
If you're genuine, people will respond to that.
Yeah, and that's how you build a real following.
And once you have that trust, you can do so much with it.
Like affiliate marketing, for example.
Yeah, that's a good one.
It's not about pushing products you don't believe in.
It's about recommending things you genuinely love.
Exactly. It's like giving a friend advice.
If you know a product that can help them, why not share it?
Yeah. And if they buy it through your link, you get a commission.
No win situation.
Now, I want to talk about something fun.
Always.
Remember those pick one videos we mentioned?
Oh, yeah, those are
They're
great.
super engaging, perfect for TikTok.
People's attention spans are so short these days.
It's all about grabbing their attention quickly.
Making them laugh or think or feel something.
Exactly. And you can do pick one videos for anything.
Like what?
Fashion,
Oh, yeah.
food, travel, even business tips.
You could do pick one business model.
Haha, that's a good one. And they're so easy to make.
You don't need a fancy studio.
Just your phone and some creativity.
Low barrier to entry, that's what we like.
So speaking of low barrier to entry,
What else do we have?
let's talk about marketplace arbitrage.
Okay, I'm intrigued.
This one's a little more hustly,
I like a good hustle.
but it can be super
And
profitable.
from me more.
So basically, you're finding deals online and reselling them for a higher price.
Oh, so you're like a digital middleman.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You can even do it without your own website.
Seriously, how does that work?
You find something awesome on Facebook Marketplace, for example.
Lots of good stuff on there.
Then you list it on eBay for more money.
And when someone buys it,
The original seller ships it directly to them.
so you never even touch the product.
Yeah, you're just connecting buyers and sellers.
That's pretty brilliant.
And it's a great way to learn about e-commerce.
Without the risk of carrying inventory.
Exactly. All right, so we've covered a lot in this part.
We have.
Digital products, personal branding, even some fun side hustles.
My brain is full.
But there's one more big thing we need to talk about.
Hit me with it.
Affiliate marketing. We touched on it a bit, but we'll go deep in part 3.
I'm ready for more.
Welcome back, everyone, for our final part of this deep dive.
We're wrapping things up with affiliate marketing.
The big kahuna.
Yeah. It's a popular model for a reason.
We've talked about it a little bit already, right?
Huh.
But let's break it down.
Yeah, good idea.
So basically, you get paid for recommending stuff.
Stuff you already love and use, hopefully.
Exactly. It's got to be genuine, right?
Absolutely. No one wants to feel like they're being sold something they don't need.
And it's performance-based, which I think is great.
Yeah, what does that mean?
You only earn money when someone actually buys something through your link.
So you got to make sure you're recommending good stuff.
Yeah. And this guy we learned from, he had this really interesting approach.
Oh, yeah. What was it?
He called it like tutorial affiliate marketing or something.
Tutorial affiliate marketing. Interesting. What's that all about?
So he makes these really helpful tutorials on YouTube.
YouTube tutorials. That's a popular format.
Yeah, and he'll show you how to use a specific product or software.
Okay, I see.
And then he'll put his affiliate link in the description.
So people can buy it if they want to?
Exactly. It's super smart.
Yeah, it's like providing value up front.
And then if they like it, they can buy it through your link.
You get a commission.
Yeah. And you don't need a ton of followers to make it work either.
Really? That's good to know.
He showed us examples of smaller channels making good money.
That's encouraging.
And the cool thing is, those videos can keep earning for you.
Oh, yeah. How
They're like evergreen content, right?
people can find them months, even years later.
And if they buy through your link, you still get that commission.
That's passive income at its best.
You're basically working while you sleep.
Now you're talking.
Wow.
So how do you get started with this tutorial thing?
But you need to have access to the products, obviously.
Yeah, makes sense. You got to be able to show people how to use them.
But his big tip was start with stuff you already own.
Oh, that's smart.
Like your favorite kitchen gadgets, tech gear, whatever.
I can see that working. You're already passionate about those things.
Yeah, and chances are they have an affiliate program.
Yeah, most companies do these days.
So you can just sign up and start making videos.
Sounds pretty straightforward.
And don't forget about Amazon.
Oh, yeah. Amazon's affiliate program is huge.
Millions of products you can promote.
Something for everyone.
Yeah. And even if they don't buy the exact thing you recommend,
Mm-hmm.
you still get a commission if they buy anything else on Amazon.
Within a certain time frame, right?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Definitely increases your chances of earning something.
So there you have it, folks.
That's a wrap.
We've covered a ton of ground in this deep dive.
From service businesses to digital products, print on demand, personal branding,
Even some fun side hustles.
and of course, affiliate marketing.
We hope you guys found it helpful.
Yeah, we tried to give you a good overview of all the different options out there.
But the most important thing is to take action.
Don't just sit on these ideas, do something with them.
Pick a model that resonates with you, make a plan, and get started.
The perfect time to launch your online business is right now.
Don't let fear hold you back.
There's a whole world of opportunity out there.
And remember, you don't have to do it alone.
There's so much support available online.
Free tutorials, communities, you name it.
So go out there and make it happen.
And if you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and share it around.
Help us spread the entrepreneurial love.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time for another deep dive.